Hello everyone, I, Professor Deshmukh MN, working as an assistant professor at MBA department in BMIT College, Solapur. Here I am dealing with the subject Strategic Human Resource Management. This subject belongs to HR specialization of third semester. Now, before moving towards strategic human resource management, just flashback towards what is meant by human resource management. What is human resource management? Human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resources to the end that individual, organizational and social goals are accomplished. It means human resource management means planning, organizing, directing and controlling of procurement, development, maintenance, integration and separation of human resources to the end that individual, organizational and social goals are accomplished. Means in human resource management we perform all the managerial functions so as to achieve the individual, social and organizational goals. Now let's move towards strategy. What is meant by strategy? Strategy means generalship. Strategy is nothing but a detailed plan of action to achieve the maximum profit. Strategy is a comprehensive and integrated plan of action to achieve the maximum profit of the organization. Then, what is meant by strategic management? Strategic management is as a manner by which the organization plans to deal with the various aspects of management. The various aspects of management includes decision making, problem solving, innovation, risk taking and facing uncertainty whichever occur in the organization. Strategic management process Strategic management process is a process in which the organization formulate, implement evaluate the strategy to improve profit. It means in strategic management process, the organization formulates any specific strategy, that is, the organization plans a desired set of actions, then it implements the strategy whichever formulated by the organization, and after implementation of the strategy, the effect or evaluation of the strategy will be performed, through which the organization can gain the maximum profit. Then let's move towards strategic human resource management. Strategic human resource management. Here the name itself, that is strategic human resource management, refers that it is the combination of strategy plus human resource management. Strategic human resource management refers to strategy plus human resource management. That is, in detail, strategic human resource management is the linking of human resources of management with strategic goals and objectives in order to improve the business performance and develop the organizational culture that foster the innovation and flexibility in the organization. This strategic HRM is developed so as to develop the organizational culture that will foster the innovation in the organization. So, strategic HRM includes analysis of opportunities and threats available in external environment. Then it compares these opportunities and threats with strengths and weaknesses of the organization. Then, after comparing the strengths and weaknesses with the threats and opportunities which are available in the external environment, then implementation of strategy will be performed. Implementation of strategy which is formulated by the organization. After implementation of the strategy which is formulated by the organization, the last step will be evaluation and control. So, strategic HRM performs the analysis whatever threats and opportunities are available in the organization or external environment. Then these opportunities and threats are compared with the internal strengths and weaknesses of the organization. After comparison in between threats and opportunities as well as strengths and weaknesses of the organization. The next step will be implementation of strategy which is performed or which is formulated by the organization, and after implementation of the strategy, last step will be evaluation and control.